Alright, today you're coming with me, you're tagging along on a dealer trade. This is when a customer wants a different color that we don't have. We pull it from another shelf. Our friends at Naperville, my friend Jeremy hooked us up with this. So we have a trade of a Mazda 3 for a CX-50 gasoline Premium Plus in Ingot blue. So this is a nice ride, nice day. Mazda 3 SES, we just shot a video on this and it's leaving our inventory. So come along with me. Thanks a lot for joining us. So I'm hoping for an uneventful day as far as both of these cars getting to their destinations safely. Coming up to North Aurora Avenue, Naperville. To head to Napleton, Naperville, Mazda. Thanks to Jeremy for helping us out, the sales manager there. Alright, thanks to the team at Napleton, Naperville. I got this CX-50 Premium Plus, and let's get it defrosted and try not to slip. That's going to take a while to defrost. Let's get it going here. Much better. Alright, so same as before, let's get this back to its destination safely. Hopefully everybody is using their turn signals. These do heat up quite fast. It's only 29 degrees, which is a warm up from yesterday, but it's nice to get these out of the dead cold and warmed up in just about 15 minutes. Alright, smooth sailing so far. We got probably another half hour drive time till I'm back home. I was reminded of how the new Mazdas, when you have it for the first 50 miles and it's brand new, between 22 miles and I'd say 35 or 36 miles, it will emit a smell, almost like a burning smell, but it's most of the off gases or it getting hot for the first time, almost like seasoning a skillet for the first time. So just let the windows down or run with the air conditioner on circulating. Now if you need to run the defrost on a day like today, just make sure you're moving in traffic and then you can throw on the defrost. Alright, so we're almost home. We are in Barrington, Illinois right now. So just about 12 minutes from home. And then we'll park this and bring it in the morning. Alright, there we are. 2025 CX-50 Premium Plus, Ingot Blue Metallic. And we'll get that prepared for delivery for our new drivers. They also have a CX-50 in the house, so they're getting the $750 additional owner loyalty rebate. Alright, so here we are, all cleaned up, tires shined. Gonna get the books ready for the new owner to drive away. Just a moment. Let's put the bow on for him. Air conditioned seats. This is Ingot blue metallic. Leather with the contrasted stitching. Nice comfortable interior. Incredible all-wheel drive system. 2.5 naturally aspirated 4-cylinder. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Safe travels.